10-minute full-body workout for beginners, no equipment needed. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Total Body Fitness. Today, I have an amazing 10-minute full-body workout for beginners that requires absolutely no equipment. So, whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for a quick and effective workout, this one's for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a comfortable space to perform these exercises. Remember to listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. Let's start with a quick warm-up. Warm-up. March in place, 30 seconds. March in place, lifting your knees and swinging your arms. This will help increase your heart rate and warm up your muscles. Exercise 1. Squats, 45 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Then, push through your heels to stand back up. Repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 2. Push-ups, 45 seconds. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. If you need to modify, you can do push-ups on your knees. Repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 3. Glute Bridges, 45 seconds. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down and repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 4. Plank, 30 seconds. Get into a plank position with your forearms on the ground and your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line and hold this position for 30 seconds. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks, 45 seconds. Stand with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Jump your feet apart and raise your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 6. Reverse lunges, 45 seconds. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step back with one foot and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, and then switch legs. Repeat for 45 seconds. Exercise 7. Bicycle crunches, 45 seconds. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your head, shoulders, and feet off the ground. Bring one knee towards your chest while twisting your opposite elbow towards that knee. Switch sides and continue alternating for 45 seconds. Exercise 8. Mountain climbers, 45 seconds. Get into a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you're running in place. Keep your core engaged and continue for 45 seconds. Exercise 9. Standing side leg lifts, 45 seconds. Stand with your feet together and your hands on your hips. Lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight, and then lower it back down. Repeat for 45 seconds on one side, then switch to the other leg. Exercise 10. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and extend your arms out to the sides. Make small circles with your arms, first clockwise for 15 seconds, then counterclockwise for another 15 seconds. Great job, everyone! Now let's take a minute to cool down and stretch. Cool down. Deep breathing, 30 seconds. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat for 30 seconds to help your body relax. Cool down. Standing forward fold, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly bend forward at the hips, letting your head and arms hang down. Hold this position for 30 seconds to stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Cool down. Quad stretch, 30 seconds each leg. Stand on one leg and grab your opposite ankle, pulling your heel towards your glute. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch legs. And that's it. You've just completed a 10-minute full-body workout. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.